Tired of throwing money at ads that feel like shouting into the void? Let's transform your lead generation strategy in just 90 seconds by mastering Kvcore ads. First, log into your Kvcore platform and navigate to the Marketplace tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your gateway to seamlessly launching targeted ad campaigns. Once in the Marketplace, you'll find a variety of options. Locate and click on the Ad Campaign section. Kvcore offers different types of ad campaigns such as Facebook ads, Google ads, and more. Choose the platform that aligns with your target audience. For this tutorial, we'll select a Facebook ad campaign. Now it's time to laser focus your targeting. Kvcore allows you to define your ideal customer based on demographics, interests, location, and behaviors. Spend time crafting these filters. The more specific, the higher your chances of reaching qualified leads. Next, set your budget and campaign duration. Kvcore gives you full control over your ad spend, allowing you to set a daily or total budget. Start with a smaller budget to test your ad performance and optimize as you go. It's creative time. Design eye-catching ad creatives directly within Kvcore. Choose from pre-designed templates or upload your own visuals. Be sure to write compelling ad copy that highlights the value you offer to potential clients. Finally, track your results. Kvcore provides detailed analytics on your ad performance. Monitor key metrics like impressions, clicks, and leads generated. Use this data to refine your targeting and optimize your campaigns for maximum. Why stop wasting money on ineffective advertising and start generating qualified leads today with Kvcore?